From the blue corner, DEEPESH Tapa! From the red corner, LAKHAN Lashra! Ladies and gentlemen, this is the co-main event of Manipur Pride MMA, India versus Nepal. Scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds in the bantamweight division. And now we introduce you first fighting out of the blue corner, a striker. And today he is making his debut in the world of professional MMA. Standing 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing at 61.9 kilograms, representing Pokhara Fight Club, Pokhara, Nepal. Here is DEEPESH Tapa! His opponent fighting out of the red corner, a mixed martial artist with a professional record of 1 win and 1 loss. Standing 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing at 61.7 kilograms, representing Kangleipak MMA Club, Manipur, India. Here is LAKHAN Lashra! Referee in charge is Chandru Gandhi.
Come on, leg right him. Mount, control good. Listen, body lock, come on. Put the blind guard, put the blind guard. Drag guard. Also drag guard. Control. Elbows are there. Elbow under the
LAKHAN itu hari ini kata kalau kata tidak akan betul pak. LAKHAN kalau ni ini tidak putih pada paling nanti deh. LAKHAN kalau
It's a part of the game, ladies and gentlemen. He is in good hands.
LAKHAN is a warrior.
Definitely. Thank you, Kiru, for that wonderful, spirited message.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fight was halted at 2 minutes 52 seconds of round number 3. And now for your winner, by a technical knockout from the blue corner, DEEPESH DEEPESH, congratulations on a huge victory.
Thank you. Let's go, Manipur.
In the first round, you tried to choke out your opponent, but you couldn't submit him. What was the game plan coming into this fight?
Technically, there was no game plan. It's to fight and win the fight. So whenever I take the chance, I go for it. So in the first round, I did get the back, but could not submit. But that was okay, part of it. But I looked chance again, and just got it in the third round.
And how is your experience coming into India, Manipur, especially how is Manipur treating you?
It was very good. It could be better, but unfortunately there was something going on here, and I'm really sorry for that. But it felt very good. Manipur and the Manipur Pride MMA gives me opportunity to fight here to represent my country. I'm really grateful for that to the teammate, the Manipur team guys, Bonjovi. I'm really thankful for that, and thank you everyone, and thank you Manipur. Thank you Manipur. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was your winner, Deepesh Thapa.
What you got to play, generic drops for days. Still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so
Mare
rare?
adidi koi loisinabagi matam yausinlakley.